Human interaction is a programmable system. Most people just run the default settings. We're here to rewrite the code.
So let's treat social dynamics as an operating system. Today, we're decompiling its source code to understand its core functions. The foundational text for this system is Dale Carnegie's book, compiled way back in 1937. The protocols are solid, even if the hardware is a little bit legacy. Let's install two of its most effective updates. First up, Protocol 1, the input buffer. Its function is to process all incoming data before you respond. This is essential for preventing critical system errors. The microaction is simple. In your next conversation, just listen. Give them your complete attention and let them finish their thought. Don't let your own process interrupt theirs just because it had a sudden brilliant idea. As former Harvard president Charles Eliot said, exclusive attention is very important. Nothing else is so flattering as that. It's the highest form of validation you can offer. Next, Protocol 2, the display driver. This is all about how you output your ideas to achieve maximum impact. The core principle is to dramatize your ideas. The microaction for tomorrow, find one idea you need to communicate and think of a simple physical way to demonstrate it. For instance, the source mentions a salesman who threw pennies on the floor to show a grocer his lost profits. Apparently, the sound of money gets better reception than a slide deck. And now for a bonus protocol, the ego shield. This is a critical fail-safe for preventing social crashes. Think of it as a pop-up blocker for your own pride. Its core function is to let the other person save face. This means preserving their dignity in a tough situation, especially when you are correct. It prevents a social 404 error. As the writer Antoine de Saint-Exupéry put it, hurting a man in his dignity is a crime. It's a system error that's very difficult to debug. Okay, protocol's installed. Time to execute. Your task for the next 24 hours is to run a self-diagnostic. After your next important conversation, ask yourself two questions. What was my biggest mistake, and what did I do right? This simple debug routine can prevent brain.exe from repeatedly crashing. I turn this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?